From WKYC Studios, this is What's Next with Russ Mitchell and Lena Lai.
Big changes out there as the temperatures plunge and our first taste of winter is on the way. And good evening. Thanks for joining us.
Meteorologist Anthony Copeland joins us with the dramatic shift. What do you say, Anthony?
Well, it was quite dramatic earlier this afternoon around 3 and 4 o'clock. We had the cold front that swept through, and you really felt and seen the aftermath of that, bringing those gusty winds 40 to 50 miles an hour. The highest wind gusts was 54 reported right downtown here at Burke Lakefront. But as we get closer to your Thursday, now we're talking about the first snowflakes of the season. More rain and more wind on the way as we get closer to your Friday. So the weather impact alert days will continue as we wrap up your work week right into your weekend. Here's how tomorrow's going to play out for us. It's not going to be a snowstorm. It's not going to be something that's going to stop anything or put a halt to anything. It's not going to be a showstopper, but it could slow you down with some impacts on the roadways, especially as we head beyond sunset. That is where we expect a little bit of accumulation to occur for parts of the area. While overall temperatures will remain above freezing, but snow is on the way. It's going to be mixing in with a little bit of rain and a little bit of snow as we go throughout the overnight than just plain old snow. Here's this upper level low that's been giving us the problems all throughout the last 24 hours, bringing us the rainfall and the wind. We're catching a break, a little bit of clearing earlier this evening, but here's phase number 2 that's pinwheeling behind all this. And this is going to be stalling out across the Great Lakes, and that's going to give us on and off snow chances. So here's your Wednesday night, rain to early Thursday. We're talking about scattered snow just in time for your daybreak hour. Full timeline of the snow and what to expect for your Browns game getting closer to the kickoff, and also remaining quite dramatic as we get closer to your weekend as well.
All right, high drama. All right. Anthony, we'll see you in just a bit. Thank you.
And don't forget, you can get the latest weather alerts and stories on our website, WKYC.com, and always on the WKYC app.